Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by placing your phone and display near the Wi-Fi router for best signal. Confirm both devices are powered on and unlocked before you begin. Check that both phone and TV are connected to the same 4 GHz or 5 GHz network. Open the phone settings and enable Bluetooth 5.0 when required for discovery. Update the phone operating system and TV app versions to latest available now. Close other streaming apps to reduce network congestion and improve connection reliability. For iPhone users, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring to begin. Choose the TV name shown and enter the 4-digit code if requested. For Android users, open Quick Settings and tap Cast or Screencast. Select the Chromecast, Miracast, or Smart TV listed in the device menu. Use a wired adapter with HDMI 1.4 or higher for phone to TV physical mirroring when wireless fails. Wait 10 to 20 seconds for the first frame to appear on the display. If you experience lag, try switching the connection to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Reduce background devices on the network to free up bandwidth and lower latency. If lag exceeds 2 seconds, restart the router and reconnect the phone to Wi-Fi. For resolution issues, adjust the TV input settings and set mobile display to 1080p or lower. Secure your session by accepting pairing prompts and using device passcodes when available. End mirroring from the phone control center, cast menu, or by unplugging the HDMI adapter.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.